Hi and welcome. Today we try to fly our drone for the first time ever. It's going to be epic.
What can possibly go wrong? Wait and see.
We hope not to lose it.
It's coming on top of us.
Come on, Ollie. Come on, come on.
Right, so I think now you can just sort of just play about if you want.
Take off. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Also, that's
Okay.
up.
Cool. Where you go?
This is
Look on the controller.
Yeah. Oh, I can see. Right.
You can see what you can
There's
see.
us.
Where's us?
Yeah, here. Look.
Oh wow, that's really cool, isn't it? Can you see us? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Fly a bit closer to us and see.
Yeah. That's up. That's down. Okay. Wait. This one. No, it's away.
You flying to us? Yeah.
Yeah. You were too fast.
Just don't hit the tree.
Yeah.
That's it. Well done. You're getting it already. Whoa! This is only 2 cameras. Fly it a little bit closer to me.
Wait.
A little bit.
I'll try.
The thing is when the drone's back to front, it's the other way around as well.
Whoa.
Just come down a little bit, that's all.
That's up. This is down.
Come down, 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 down.
Down.
And then fly up and away.
Up. What's up?
I don't know, the other way to down.
Yeah, that's up. Yeah.
And away.
Oops, wait.
Oh no, it's done now. Ooh.
Whoa. How do I turn it around? Yeah, it's going away. Get it back.
You can press home, look, you just hold this button. Hold it, that's it, that return to home.
Wait.
Jenny got scared, so she's like, oh god. Look, show you the route.
Yeah.
And then you press, you don't want to cancel.
Return to home. No, we want you back.
It's coming.
I forgot how to bring you back.
Is it coming? Why is it
Yeah,
beep
it's
beeping?
coming.
Oh,
Look,
it is coming.
it's coming.
I can't see it. Oh yeah. Hi. So now it should land right on top of this camera, no doubt.
Look. It's coming down.
Here, leave it. Don't touch anything.
Oh, wait. Stop.
Oh, it's got. Oh no, it's going to come on top of us.
Oh, no. What?
It's coming on top of us.
Come on, Ollie. Come on.
Oh my god. Right, now you have to go down if you want to go down, but if you don't, then.
Wait. Addie. No. Wait. I know. I'm sorry.
It's alright, it's alright.
It's on my land.
It's on my land.
It's on my land. Get away. Oh, so that's how you spin it round.
It's fine, it's alright.
Left
What are they worried about, eh?
and back.
Well, tell me, what's your first experience?
Oh, we're learning. This is so cool.
Actually, no. You look pretty happy.
Yeah, it's good. Look, I'm getting very, very brave. I'm going further and further.
Don't go too far.
Oh, that's good. Let's
So
see
you
if
want
we
to try
can
and
go
get some of
back.
that scenery there, the background, like turn it around.
No, I did. Look,
Yeah.
this is cool. No, let's go that way.
Just fly into the scenery a little bit, that way. No, let's go sideways.
Yeah.
Go towards it, no?
Wait.
Oh.
Boy, Ollie, whoa.
Oh, cool.
Look. This is amazing.
Don't worry, if it goes out of range, it will come back home. So
I'm bringing it back.
you can hear it. I thought.
No, I'm running it
But
back.
they said once you're in the air, you can't hear
Where
it.
is it? Oh, it's there.
It's there.
Oh, wow, it's really far. Good boy. Oh, yeah, come back. We want you back so Ryan can have a go.
Oh, just
This
press
is so
fly to
cool.
home if you
That's
want me to have a
fine.
go.
Look, there you go.
Whoa!
We're amazed.
Alright, just press the
Yes.
return to home. Okay,
Wait, hold on. Just give me a second, okay?
You're going to try and land it, are you?
No, I want to turn it around. So look, this is how you turn it around with this one.
Yeah.
You go right, turn it round.
Okay, I can see it, yeah.
Yeah, and then this is up and down. So down.
Okay, down, yeah.
And then this one, look, this one here
Yeah.
is the camera down
Okay.
and up.
Okay.
And that is zoom.
Okay, you don't want zoom because you
No.
just fly towards it because zoom's
Yeah, and that's
quality issues.
forward, sideways, obviously both sides and back.
Okay, so the battery, I don't know how, but it's 53% already, and we've just flown for what? Not long.
Cool. All right, I'm going to bring it back.
Okay.
So this is why I was getting confused
Whoa,
because
watch the
whilst
tree.
it's the other way round,
Yeah. I
it's
know.
obviously the opposite.
That's what operators say.
Yeah.
At first, it's difficult to.
So I'll leave it
orientate
there,
Yeah.
and I'm going to bring it down so that Ryan can see it. He can do it.
Oh. All right.
I know, Ati. I'm sorry. Sorry, Ati. What do you guys think? This is so cool. Well, what do you think of a new toy? Suppose, Bebe.
Yeah.
What do you think of?
Well.
What do you
really,
think of
really
a
cool.
new?
I don't want to fly. I don't know. I'm scared to fly it far. I know you can, but I'm scared.
I don't know how many hundred
Like,
meters.
this is such a beautiful view. I don't know. Is that Oh no, don't want to zoom. Oh, that's it. Yeah, so camera up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then look. So that's how you can.
A shiny new toy. Little aircraft with a camera.
Boys and their toys.
No, boys and girls and their toys.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So let's send it home. Oh.
Your fingers are too fat, Bebe. Sorry.
Oh my goodness, she didn't just say that.
You need to hold it. Mm-hmm. This is the drone. Ati, no, Ati, don't. Good boy.
There you go.
Yay, we did it. What is it? What is it? It's a new toy. It's nothing dangerous. Don't worry, Ati. It's all right. You're all right. It's all right, Ollie. I'm sorry. I know. Disturbing your peace. I know. In your farm. Yep. I get that. I'm sorry. Is it bothering you? Is it bothering you? I don't know if it's dog friendly. I don't think it's dog friendly. Does it bother you as well? I know it's your job to protect the farm. I know. Your farm. Not that bug in the air.
Alright, so something to do with like people tracking. It's only 36% already, you know, like the battery.
Okay.
So we've got to keep it close.
So we bought an SD card, a micro SD card for it, but it actually has 2 gigabytes of storage, internal storage, which is good. We didn't know if it had any at all, but obviously 2 gigabytes is not enough. It's not a lot. It really feels like it's gonna land on us.
Yeah.
And it goes further and further.
Landing.
Look.
Crash.
So it's beeping because it thinks there's things in the way.
There is.
I think it is anyway. Okay, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Look.
It's not gonna fly on us.
Down
It's
with
good.
1.4,
Yeah.
1.3.
¿Qué tan obediente?
Mira,
Ay,
ya
tan
se
maravilla.
devuelve.
Ay, qué cosa más linda.
¿Lo quieres mirar? ¿Los quieres hacer? ¿Lo quieres operar?
No, mija, mi mano, no.
Mira,
no.
mira.
No,
Mira
sí.
lo que ve.
¿Ah?
Mira lo que ve. Mira lo que ve. ¿Sí es? Y
Sí.
para allá.
Sí.
Y miren, se va volando
tengo
para
los
allá.
dedos adoloridos por la... Ay, cuidado si te va por acá.
No, no va a ir.
What did she say?
Ay,
Be
sí, pero se está
careful,
muy
it goes too far.
lejos. Está
Mira,
muy
mira
lejos.
tan bonito que se ve.
Sí, pero se está muy
No, él
lejos.
se devuelve.
Ay.
Él se devuelve. Mira. Mira aquí.
¿Ya se va a devolver?
No, está por allá.
Ay.
She's worried we're
Yo
gonna
no,
lose it.
yo no lo veo. Ay, ay,
Mira.
ay, mijita.
It was at this moment he knew. I tried to put person tracking on the drone. I tried to make it circle me, and it went round the house and lost me completely. You're just about to see me pop out the other side of the house, and the drone has no idea where I am. I also found that when I used the drone to follow the car, the same thing happened when there was trees in the way. So you drive the car through the trees, and then the drone wouldn't be able to track you. So I had to stop and do a few things. But it is a bit of a problem with it. Obviously, you can't fly low below the trees because of obviously the branches, the skinny branches. It doesn't really pick up on. So you have to fly above the trees. It's the person tracking or the car tracking definitely needs improvement, and the drone should be able to turn around and follow you wherever you go, and also look at where the obstacles are as well. This is another example here. You can see that the drone was more worried about avoiding the branches than following me. As soon as I got around the corner, that was it. Drone lost me, so it stayed where it was, and I had to reprogram it to follow me again.
Final words. Very, very pleased with this little aircraft. Got our little friend here.
Mm-hmm.
Our mate Ollie.
Yeah. We got it on Amazon Prime Day. We paid 750 quid for it. We bought a Care Refresh, which was £119. So that gives you 2 years protection. That's up to 2 drones per year. Obviously, if it fly away or, gets damaged or anything like that. So we wanted to get that just to make sure we were covered.
We didn't lose it on our first flight.
It's actually quite easy to fly. We've got to work out, obviously, a few things, we're not geniuses. We're not pilots, but, we can.
It's pretty straightforward, I think. I'm impressed on how easy it is to pick up. I thought it was like a video game where you press things and then you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah. Anyway, see you tomorrow.